Good morning, my darlings. It's phonics time, so pop those phonics hats on. Yep, that's right, they're in place. And make sure those brains are awake. Super duper. Okay, let's start with our alphabet. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Let's all sing and dance, everyone. Come, join in and have some fun. Lovely. Right, my goodness, my voice seems to be going all over the place today. I hope yours is in a better state. Now, let's start off by going over our phase 3 phonics. And we're going to look at the grapheme. And so the grapheme is the written down version, okay? And say the phoneme, that is the sound. So this is j. This is b. Good. This is w. This is x. This is y. This is z. Good. This is the digraph. Z. This is qu. Good. This is ch. This is sh. This is, now this one, we've got two different sounds that we can make for this one. We've got the soft one like think, and then we've got th, that, okay, so th and okay, then we've got then we've got this one, this is A, good, and this is E. Now what about this one? This is the I trigraph. We moved on to trigraphs now. Trigraph, remember, is when we have three sounds that make three letters that make one sound, and a digraph is when we've got two letters that make one sound. Now this is the O digraph. Now we've got this one. This one again has two different ways of being pronounced. We've got the oo digraph like m-oon, and we've also got the oo like b-ook. This is R, like R and me heart is, like a pirate. Now we've got O, and we've got ow, and oi. Good. Now we've got ear and air. Then we've got and then we've got this tricky one here which causes lots of problems. Now we teach it as the yaw sound, yaw, pure, okay? But a lot of the time we end up saying it like the kind of sound. Because if we think about the words it goes into, like pure, sure, sure. So if we have sure, for example, then yaw, it makes the kind of yaw sound there. But if we have pure, then we don't really use it quite like that. It's a bit of a tricky one. Learn it as the yaw sound, but yaw, yaw, we don't really say yaw, pure. We say pure. And there are some other words as well. You can have a little look at that one. That one's worth revising. Have a little look at some of the videos, and I think you'll find that you can practice them, but often we say them differently to how exactly they are taught. So it's a bit of a funny one, that one. But just learn the trigraph. Oh, and then we've got some words. So tricky words. This is he. This is she. This is we. This is be. This is they. This is me. This is are. This is all. Ooh. This is was. This is you. My. Her. And that is the end of those. How did you do? Are there some you need to practice? That's fine. Just get practicing. We've got plenty of time. Okay, now we are going to do some dictated sentences. That means I say the sentence, you write it down, and then we check it together. So let's have a look at our first sentence. So our first sentence is going to be, the farmer gets up at 6. So take it little by little. So first part, the farmer. So tricky word, the. You know that one well. So the. Then we think about farmer. So Okay, so we've got, let's break it down. Starting off, capital letter for the. Our tricky word that we know really well. So the, finger space. Arm. The farmer. So we've done the first two words. The farmer gets. Gets. Up. At. 6. And we need a full stop at the end. So you see, if you just take it words at a time, it's not too hard. So have a go at writing that one down. The farmer gets up at 6. The farmer gets up at 6. Okay, right. Let's do the next one. Okay, so this next sentence carries on after that, so it makes sense. It's the second sentence. So, he has to feed the cows and sheep. So I'm just going to give you the first part of that sentence, okay? There's a second part, so don't put a full stop at the end. So, he has to feed the cows and sheep. So, he... It's a tricky word. So he, finger space. As. He has to, tricky word. Feed. He has to feed the. Now cows, it's got the digraph. Cows. That digraph. He has to feed the cows and sheep. Sheep. He has to feed the cows and sheep, and the other part of the sentence, so the next part, in the morning. So in the, again, we know this word, in the, I'm running out of space there, morning. He has to feed the cows and sheep in the morning. Okay. Well done. Right, now, try this sentence by yourself before looking at my one. So, you can hear a goat. You can hear a goat. So, you, tricky word, you. Oh, hay fever. No, so itchy. Excuse me. So, you, tricky word, you. You can, you can hear, and then ear, there's the trigraph. You can hear a go, that's the digraph there, goat. You can hear a goat. You can hear a goat. One more time. You can hear a goat. Right, let's look at it. So, capital letter, capital Y. U, finger space, K-A-N. You can, H, and then here's our ear, trigraph. You can hear a, G, O, T, full stop. You can hear a goat. Here we go. You can hear a goat. Well done. Can you hear a goat? I can't hear a goat, but maybe you can, I don't know. Maybe there is a mysterious goat in your home. Right, okay, my darlings, well done for your phonics today. Remember, you can always practice your phonics on Phonics Play, okay? So if you can jump onto there and do some phonics practice there too. Good job, give yourself a pat on the back and enjoy the rest of your learning today.